Oh baby, nice and shiny. Look at this from a bird's eye view. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. This is my 2003 Saab 9.5 Aero spec. I purchased it really cheap about a couple weeks ago, about 3-4 weeks ago. And if you haven't been following the build, we've started from the front, rehabbing the entire engine bay, to the HVAC system, which was broken, which was the reason why this car was for sale as a parts car, which is why we really saved it. And in the last episode, if you haven't checked it out yet, we replaced the front windshield. In today's episode, we're going to hop into the interior. We're going to scrub all of the seats and scrub the carpets and make the whole thing look brand new inside, because it is a little bit dirty. And if you haven't paid attention to the previous episode, there is a seam that is ripped on the front leather seat. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out as well. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's do it. All right, guys, I wanted to give you a before shot. So let's go through each footwell. I took out the floor mats here, minus some tools here. You can see some of the stains that we're going to take care of. Some of the stitching on the seat needs to be redone, which my wifey's going to do when she gets back from shopping. You going shopping?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, something tells me you are.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Guilty. Look at you. You can't even look at me. All right, so we are here in the back, and the back is, of course, nowhere near as bad as the front. So, yeah, there it is, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the passenger side footwell in the front, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take out the driver's seat. Everything just needs to be vacuumed real quick, and that's what we're gonna do. This here, as you can see, has some dirt in the carpet there, so we'll steam it out and get it going. I think we're not gonna steam it, actually. I'm gonna probably soak it with some soap and water, get the shop vac, and suck it out.
What about the rust there?
The rust is coming in a next episode, or a following episode, or one of the episodes, because that is a very common problem. And I'll just give you a sneak preview. If you guys remove this inner trim right here, you see how this is causing the rust? Because water is getting trapped in there and causing that rust. So if you guys still have this on your Saab, be sure to go ahead and absolutely remove it, so this doesn't happen again if it's already happened. But this is gonna need some work. So in another episode. That's where you gotta unplug seat harness right here. Boom, one plug, the whole thing will pull out. Alright, boys, I can remove the bottom part of that seat belt there, but the way the seat is facing, I'm not going to, because there's no reason to. And now that we have the seat out of the way, we can go ahead and take out all the extra junk that's here. Some food from somebody back in the day. So we're just gonna vacuum this up. I'm not gonna shampoo this area because obviously it doesn't need it, but I will vacuum that out, and we'll make this thing good. And I'll wait till the better half gets back so she can sit on this lovely stool here and sew that back. That should only take like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna throw it in there so you guys can remember. Gotta mess around a little bit with her, because that's what life's all about. Alright, let's vacuum this car. Alright guys, alright, I just cleaned out the shop vac, got all the dust out of there, hosed it down, made some soapy water over here for the brushes, and I'm going to use some Resolve spot and stain remover on some of the heavier stained areas here. Alright guys, I'll let that soak in for a few minutes, and then we'll start scrubbing with some soap and water. And then, we'll take the shop vac, suck it all out. Oh man, boys. We got a lot done here. Check out this carpet. It is a million times better. I don't know if the camera picked up on it, but it picked up a ton of mud. I tried pointing the camera at it, but when I was like pushing down and sucking up the water from the vacuum or from the carpet, you can see all of the soapy suds that were brown and dirt. So you can, we definitely got these carpets much cleaner than what they were. And of course, it smells good in here. I mean, these carpets really aren't even that bad of shape. The driver footwell was the worst. And as you can see, it looks much better. And it's a good thing that we have a nice, warm, sunny day here, because the sun now is gonna beam right down onto that carpet so it can dry out. I am gonna hit the other side though. So let's hit the other side. Before I hit the other side, I'm gonna wipe down the dash, and I'm gonna also just put in the new shifter cover, just so you guys can see that get done. I mean, just having a missing shifting cover there makes the car look like complete crap. So if yours is missing, it's literally like an $11 part and 2 minutes of installation. So let's go ahead and do it. Oh man, guys, did you guys see the amount of dirt that came up out of there? This corner right here, the sun's kind of in the spot. That was really bad. This over here was pretty bad too. And as you can see, everything is nice and clean. Unbelievable how this carpet came out. Check it out over there now. Looking pretty good, guys. The two front portions of the car were the worst. Obviously the rear is never that bad, but I would say it's about 80% perfect. So in my perspective, this car's pretty old. Not bad inside here, so let's go. We got one more footwell left. Let's knock it out. Look, guys. Check it out, guys. Melanie went shopping.
I did.
Oh man, what'd you get?
Pair of pants.
Nice. All right, you want to help me with this guy?
Maybe.
Please? Pretty please? Dinner's on me tonight.
Oh, really?
Yeah, where you want to go?
Wow. No, I have to cook the salmon, though.
You have salmon left?
Mm-hmm.
Salmon, 4 nights in a row, guys. I'll take it.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's only 3, not 4.
3 nights? All right, we'll take it. Come on, help me out with this so it can be done. Check out the inside. It looks brand new.
Nice.
Looks brand new.
Did you open up the seat? Can I see more? Did you?
Well, guys, I broke the needle after Melanie told me repeatedly, be careful, don't break the needle. But we're actually almost done. So we just tied off the string and we're gonna just start from the bottom seam here and meet ourselves to where we left off.
Start where we left off.
Or you can start where we left off?
Yeah.
Okay, where we can do that. But we're almost done. This duct tape there is just holding the seam together, so when we tighten it, the seam doesn't break apart. Just a little insurance policy on that. So while she's getting ready there, the sun has been beating down in the car here all day. And for the most part, I would say 70% of the carpets in here are nice and dry. You can see how nice they came out. There's like shadows, but those shadows aren't from stains. Those are just from the direction of the carpet. This side's a little wet still because it's not in the sun. But car smells nice in here. It's coming together. Really, really not bad, this car. And this seat was the worst of it in terms of cosmetics, so taking care of that, and should be on our way here. It's getting kind of chilly out, end of the day, so another probably about 30 minutes will be done. Keep sobbing, boys. What'd you say you need?
A back massage, a foot massage, a hand massage.
Hand massage.
After doing that sewing.
All right,
I'm
guys.
gonna take a picture of it.
No more foam.
Where's the thread? Oh.
All right, guys, it is the next day here. Look at this carpet, how nice it came out. A little wear spot here, but that's okay on the driver's side, very to be expected. Check out the side here, it's just fresh. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Same within the rear. Rear seats look good. We got a beautiful car here. Check out that front section there. Center dash looks brand new. You would never even know that this car was sitting for 2 years in a field in the middle of Pennsylvania. Look at this thing. All right, guys, feeling pretty good about this purchase now. I am going to finish assembling this seat and then give you an update. Alright guys, I just married the audio system and now we got radio. Alright, so radio works. I'm gonna turn it off. Alright guys, welcome back here. It's a couple of days later since we did everything on the interior there. I purchased a leather conditioner and cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray all of the leather and the door panels with this cleaner, and I'm gonna let it soak for about 10 or 15 minutes and wipe everything down so the leather can get some treatment since, you know, it's been sitting. Let's do it. Alright guys, everything as you can see is fully soaked with this leather cleaner and conditioner. Every door panel, every seat. The car looks like a mess. But something tells me it's gonna look beautiful when we're done here. So when we're done wiping this down, we'll conclude the interior detail. I mean, this car really came together on the inside. All of the major carpet stains have been taken out. Looks beautiful, but I'll see you here in a minute while we wipe this off in just a few minutes, and then give you a tour outside in the daylight, natural daylight. All right guys, here is a final tour. Oh man, this car looks brand new inside. Look at this. Oh baby, nice and shiny. Look at this from a bird's eye view. Bam. Well boys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more, because we are almost done bringing this Saab back to life. We saved this car from being a parts car. This car was for sale because of a bad HVAC system. We have the HVAC system running. We took care of the sludge in the engine bay. We took care of the engine mounts. This thing is really coming together, boys. Stay tuned for the next episode, because when I put this car in reverse, it says park assist failure, and obviously we need to fix that. So be sure to subscribe, stay tuned for more, because we got some programming to do on this car. I'll see you guys next time.